Hello students. In the previous videos, we taught you how to multiply algebraic expressions where we multiplied two terms by two terms and then simplified where possible. So in this video, we're going to show you an application of that. So have a look at this diagram in the upper right, and what we have is a swimming pool surrounded by a path. And the total dimensions of the path is a width of x meters and a height or a length of x meters. So let's go ahead and see if we can answer these questions using this diagram. So question A, what is the width of the pool? Well, the width of the pool, we'll take that to mean from there to there. And the total distance across there is x because of that. So that's going to be x minus 2, or x take 4. So again, we have to have an expression for that because we don't have a value for that number. The length of the pool, we'll take it to be that distance. Well, again, the whole thing is x minus 1, and that is x take 2. Now, area of a rectangle is length times width. So the area of the pool is just the length, which is x take 2, multiplied by the width, which is x take 4. And that's in factorized form, so that's the correct answer. Now, what is the area of the pool in expanded form? So we have to use the crab claw for this. So we multiply first, outside, inside, last. X times x is x squared. Change these to plus negative, which is my preferred way to work with algebra, plus x times negative 4 is plus negative 4x, plus negative 2 times x is negative 2x, plus negative 2 times negative 4 is 8. So there's the area of the pool in expanded form, but let's also simplify it. We have two like terms there. So we have plus x plus negative 4x plus negative 2x. That's going to be plus negative 6x plus 8. Okay, now a bit of a tricky question on the end. Write an expression for the area of the path in simplest form. So the area of the path, easiest if we think of it as being the entire area, which is the path plus the pool, and then subtract the area of the pool, and that will leave us with the area of the path. So I should put an A equals there. And area of the path in simplest form, well, the whole thing is x times x, or x squared. From that, we subtract the area of the pool, which is, in brackets, x squared plus negative 6x plus 8. And we have that in brackets because we have to take all of that away from x squared, and all of means you write the brackets. Let's see how we go with this. So x squared minus x squared. We're also subtracting negative 6x. Well, subtracting a negative is the same as adding, so that gives us plus 6x. And we're subtracting 8. So again, we had to subtract everything inside the brackets. Okay, let's give ourselves a bit more room here. Okay, and finally simplifying. Well, x squared take x squared goes to 0, and that leaves us with just 6x take 8. And there we go. So there's your first application of multiplying binomials.